think it's important for students to know that, it's 3D printing isn't just about like engineering or designing mechanical parts. It's really about imagining kind of digital objects, whatever that might mean for your research or for your teaching or for your student projects, and being able to recreate basically anything that you can dream up. And I think that's a really important thing, especially for students who don't already have access to these kinds of technologies, that there's more than just writing about ideas, there's more than just, experimenting in the lab. There's also ways that you can kind of create objects that mean more to a wider public, and work through ideas in different ways. So I think that's important about 3D printing in particular, but also our space in general. And so where I see this place mattering is in these parts of campus where students don't have access to this kind of technology. I think in the engineering school and even in the design school, students have places to go where they can think about, the things that they're creating and what they actually do in the world in these kind of material ways. But in a lot of ways, English departments, communication departments, sociology departments, even poultry science, these places are kind of thinking theoretically about concepts, but don't have a place to actually work through those concepts with new technologies and object-oriented technologies. And so where I really see the importance of this space is in giving these other parts of campus a place to work through their ideas in new ways. I think in a lot of ways the humanities, the social sciences are stuck in the past, and it's very easy for us to kind of move into this new space just by simply having access to these other technologies.